Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you the new shimmer wall. Look at this type. Can you find the difference? Look, the hexagon sequin. And I will show you more detail about this new type and show you more color later. But before that, let's review the old type. Look, these three types. Let's check them one by one, but ignore the shade and the color of the sequin. The difference of each type are mainly talking about the ball. Okay, now let's check them one by one. Look at this type. Let's check the back side. The back side is just a flat ball with no ear on the edge. Look. And this type. Look at the back side. The great back side with the connecting ear on the edge. And the last type is this one. Look at the back side like this, and with a lock ear on the edge. And now the new type of the shimmer wall. Look at the back side. The idea about the back side are the same, almost the same as the first type of the old design. They are using the locking ear. The idea are the same. The difference is the ball. Bad hard ball and the plastic grid ball. And the difference is the shade of the sequin. Okay, now let's check the color. First of all, magic pink. Actually, they are same color with this type. Magic pink also. And then this color, magic silver. Also, we can call it iridescent silver. The same color as this type. Also, magic silver. But I don't know why it looks so much difference on the color. I don't know. Just follow the sample. Maybe let's put it on the back side. Okay, look. So, the reason of the color difference may be because of the ball. Look. It looks much light. But after we put it on the black ball, the color changed. Maybe because of this one see-through. So, I think this is the reason. So, we found one thing very important. The performance, the effect of the shimmer wall panel will be impacted by the color around it and behind it. So, when you use this shimmer wall panel to decorate your party, be careful of the color, the light around it. Let's use these two colors to check it again. Magic pink, but the color looks so different. But if I put it on something darker, I put it on the back bar. Look, the color will be much more closer, but also they are still a little different, but very closer. So I think this is the real person. The color will be impacted by the color behind and around it. Okay, then let's go on for the other 5 colors. Miller Gold. And then light champagne gold. Magic light blue. Matte blue. Matte rose gold. Okay, since I only have these 7 samples on hand, if you are interested for more color, you can check them from my blog. The link to my blog are on the information field below this video. Okay, then let's use this 7 sample to show you how to assemble this shimmer wall. Okay, let's check the connector on the ball. This ear and this ear. And then take 2 panels. Step them together, this ear and this ear. This type of ear on the top and step them together. Let's put it on the floor. Step them and press. Step them and press. Okay. And then the other panel. If we assemble it, install it like this, it's not correct. Look at this. The edge of the sequin outer than the grid. We need to install it like this. Like this. Like this direction. Just follow the edge of the ball. Look, the sequin are on the line of the edge of the ball. Look at this. That's the right direction. Okay, now let's install it. Also, this connector will step on this connector. Press on it and press on it. Okay. And then the other ball. Look, this direction incorrect. Look, because the sequin out of the ball. So we have to find the right direction. Like this. Look. This direction is correct. Okay then. Now step this A step on this ball. And this 8 will step by this ball. Press. Press also. And now this ball. Press. and then press. Okay, let's check it. Look, this is the shimmer wall we make. Very sturdy, and the balls will not separate even we shake it like this. Very sturdy. The ball will not separate. So you just tie them or hook them on the stand will be okay. The reason why the factory decide this new type, because a lot of buyer using this type of panel. Look, with the connector like this. The feedback to show them it's hard to install. And after they install the shimmer wall with several of this type of panel, very easy to separate with each other. So the factory improved to design this locking connector. And also, they make this shade of Sequin. Okay, now let me show you how to separate them. For example, if we connect two of this panel, connect them together, okay? So if we want to separate these two panels, we need to fold, okay? Fold these two panels. Look, fold it. Separate. Very easy, just fold. Fold them will be okay. Let's try this sample we make. Fold. And then fold them together will be okay. Separate. So this tie will be much more easy to install and easy to separate, and much more sturdy, tightly together compared with this tie. That is the reason why the factory designed this type of ball. And also they use this string of the Sequin. And that is why in the future I will only supply these two types. In the future I will only supply these two types of shimmer wall panel. If you like the square and round shape of Sequin, you can buy this type of ball. And if you like this shape of Sequin, you can buy this type of ball. Okay, this is today's tutorial. This video is ball, but very useful. If you are interested to make a shimmer wall backdrop for your event, no matter where you buy the shimmer wall panel from, watching this video, check the difference of each type of the ball and pick the suitable one for you. Before place your order will be better. Okay, so if you are interested to check more detail about the old type of the shimmer wall ball, you can click here for the old tutorial. And if you are interested to watch this very popular type of shimmer wall panel on the market. If you want to know how to assemble and separate it, and you can watch the old tutorial by click here. Okay, this is today's tutorial, and following I will show you more about how the color and light around the shimmer wall panel impacts to the performer, impacts to the effect of the shimmer wall. If you are interested, you can watch to the end. Now let's check this magic silver. The circumstance around it is the one light white wall, and the wooden color around it are wearing a green clothes. Look. Okay, now look, this is the effect after I put a red fabric in front of me. This is the effect. The more closer to the red fabric, the color will change also. Look. And now this is the effect when I move to the white light, brighter white light, and in front of the white wall, and I'm wearing a green color clothes. Look. Now let's check the effect if I put a red fabric in front of me. And be careful the other color around the ball, behind the ball, and the line. Everything will affect. And now, when I move it to a dark pink curtain in a white light and wearing a green clothes in front of it. And now, this is the effect when I put it in front of the deep red curtain in the white light, and I'm wearing a green color clothes. This is the effect. Okay, now let's check this magic pink. This is the effect when I put it in front of the white wall, warm white light, and this color, this wool color around it, and I'm wearing a green color in front of this wall. Look, this is the effect. And now let's check the effect when I put it in the white wall, white color light, and wearing a green color in front of it. Look, this is the effect when I put it in front of the dark pink curtain, and I'm now wearing a green clothes under white light. Look, this is the effect when I put it in front of the dark pink, dark red color, and wearing a green color of clothes.